So hello everyone, this is Easy Automation here, and today I saw a really interesting comment in our comment section which goes like, thanks for the tutorial videos on motor forward reverse. I was writing a similar program but it's been challenging. When the motor is in clockwise run and you turn it into counterclockwise run, a timer should give the delay of 10 seconds. Likewise, if the motor is in counterclockwise run and we turn it into clockwise run, the timer should give another 10-second delay while switching from counterclockwise to clockwise. Thanks in advance. Even I am thankful for this comment.
Nice.
So basically Mr. Isaac wants a 10-second delay between every transition. So now let's create this program right here. But before we start, you need to subscribe our channel because we are near to hundreds. So subscribe and let's begin. So to solve this problem, we need timers. As we know, the timers are used for giving delays between inputs and outputs. So now I will just add two rungs for our program in which I will add one branch instruction here and here as well, in which I am going to add two T-on instructions like this. And to start these, I need one start bit here and here as well. And for changing the direction, I will just use one NC contact here and one NO contact here. And to use the done bit of these timers, I need two NO contacts here and here as well. And we need two output coils here and here for our motor forward and reverse, or you can call clockwise and anti-clockwise. So I will just give the addresses. So now I have addressed all the inputs, outputs and timers in which I have used a start selector switch and direction selector switch, from which this start bit will start our motor and this direction bit will select the direction whether it is forward or reverse, and these timers will give the delay between forward and reverse. Like here I have used the done bit of this timer and this one is the done bit of our second timer, which is going to give the delay whenever we switch from forward to reverse. So now let's go download this program. Okay, so now our program is in ideal condition, which means our motor is steady, like it is not going forward or reverse. So now I am going to start the motor. For that I need to toggle this start button, then our timer will start, and after completion of 10 seconds the motor will start to rotate in forward direction. Like here, the motor has started in forward direction, but if I want to switch from forward to reverse or clockwise to anti-clockwise, then I just need to toggle this direction switch. Then our second timer will go on, which will count for 10 seconds, and after completion of 10 seconds, the motor will go in reverse mode, or you can say counterclockwise mode. So this was the simple program. And if I again want to turn our motor from reverse to forward, then I just need to toggle this direction switch. Then our first timer will start again, counting the time for 10 seconds, and then the done bit will energize our forward direction contactor. Then our motor will go in forward direction. And these outputs will latch the contactors on the field which are going to operate the motor. So this was the simple program for motor direction control with 10-second delay time. You can change the delay time as much as you want. Like if you want to change the delay time from 10 seconds to 20 seconds, then you just need to change the preset value from 10 to 20 or 100 as much as you want. So this was the program for motor direction control, and I hope Mr. Isaac has got his answer. And if you have any other queries, then feel free to ask in the comment section. I will always be there to answer your questions. So now let's move further to our next program, which will be covered in the next session. Till then, like this video and keep exploring our previous videos. Bye.